Hello everybody. I was on the subject of the drill index I showed a couple nights ago, and somebody had made a comment about, bits and snapping a small bits. And I wanted to show this sensitive drill attachment here. This is an Albrecht chuck. These things are crazy expensive. Just the chuck itself right here, they're outstanding, great chucks. But this chuck, according to MSC Direct, is $314 and change for this. Now this is only a 0 to an 1/8 inch keyless chuck here. I'd really like to have a large one for my lathe instead of using the keyed like Jacobs, but I just can't justify the cost. And then it has this sensitive attachment here. This is not the Albrecht attachment. I thought it was, but upon closer inspection it's not. This is the Albrecht attachment. Looks like it's about $296 for this shank out the back. The crazy money. This is actually made by Sierra American. It's an AccuFeed AF22, and they, according to their website, they're like $65. And you have to supply your own chuck, of course. So this is quite a bit of money, even with this only being 65 bucks. But these things are great for drilling really small holes with your drills because you have a tactile feel. You could mount this in the chuck of your lathe in the tailstock and then go ahead and drill your hole like this, or you mount it in your drill press, and you can see this finger wheel here spins on a bearing. So as it's spinning, you reach up and you get a real good tactile feel, so it helps in minimizing the breakage of your real small drills. And I'll load it up on my drill press just to really show you, but I'm not going to drill a hole or anything with it. But I just kind of wanted to show this as an idea for some folks. I didn't buy this outright. I picked up about $2,500 worth of machining tools in an auction for like 130 bucks to my door, and this happened to be one of the items that was in it. I'm really digging this thing. I really like it. You obviously, if you're using a handheld drill motor, you're just gonna have to take your chances, and you'll be snapping a lot more of these bits just by the nature of not being able to hold it quite perfect. So let me get this thing loaded up, give you a shot of it. Alright, well, here's a quick shot of it loaded up in my drill press. Like I was saying, if you're trying to use really small drills and you're trying to use the handle on your press, you don't have a very good tactile feel, and it's hard to really govern how much pressure you're putting on your bit when you're trying to drill a hole. So, with this type of attachment, like I said, you just load it up and it'll spin here, but this bearing will free spin, and you just hold it and come down and you sensitively peck and drill your holes out. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. That's the general idea. You can also use them in milling machines. If you're using drilling holes for that, you could mount them up, like I said, in the tailstock of the lathe and just put it in a regular chuck. So if you guys want to spend the money on them, I highly would recommend getting something along these lines. They really are awesome for drilling real small holes, like I said. So hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.